guys, welcome to Easy Kidz Creations. Today we're learning how to make a gummy bear out of paper. So first you're gonna need we're gonna draw a gummy bear out of paper. Okay, so first you're gonna need a marker and something to draw with. Like something to color with and something to draw with. Okay, so first we're gonna start. So first, we're going to add the eyes. Like that. Now, we're going to add the nose. And then that, like a puppy dog. Now we're going to draw the face. Okay, now we're going to draw the little ears on our gummy bear. Okay, now I'm going to add these little blush marks. You can too. I'm going to add its body. Okay. Oh, Oreo, no. Oh, sorry, guys. Oreo, get out. Stop, Oreo, no. Sorry, guys. I'm kidding. Okay. No, Oreo, stop it. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Okay, sorry, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's add the bottom, the feet, then the arms. And I'm going to make it holding a heart. And it's going to be a king. Some gems. Okay, guys. Hopefully you like my gummy teddy bear. So that's the end of the video. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you want me to make next. Bye, guys.